Hello friend, today I have a Lexus LS460, customer complaint and no horn. Customer change parallel cable and check everything. No understand. In this video I will show you how to easy test where is a problem. And also show you the wiring diagram, horn wiring diagram. If horn not working, LS460, LS570, what should you check? Easy way to check the problem. This is scanner. Put a scanner in the car and select body ECU 5. Body number 5. Select body number 5. Then select activation test. Too many ECU you can check. And select horn relay operation. Select horn relay operation. You can test wiper, headlight, fog light. Select horn relay operation. No monitor data. On horn, the horn is working. It's mean everything is good. Data line is good. Horn module is good. Later I will show you the wiring diagram. LS460 horn. If the horn is working, when you operate a relay from in the scanner, it's main problem in the steering. In this video I will show you where is the common failure for the Lexus car. If I remove the airbag module, you can see there is a star screw. This is loose, only need to be tight. This is the common failure. When you touch the tester when you put in a ground and touch in the wire, the horn is working. It's mean there is problem in the screw. Only tight the screw, the horn will be working good. This is a free cost repair. Only tight the screw. This is Lexus LS460 and LS570. This is the diagram for a horn. You can see this is the horn to horn. Connect with the front control ECU. This ECU also control headlight, fog light and horn. Rear of the right side headlight. This is the steering column. This is parallel cable and this is there is a screw to provide when you press the horn, they provide a ground to the steering ECU. The steering ECU sends the signal to the front controller ECU. Then front controller ECU send the signal to the horn. This is the diagram. Thank you for watching. No separate fuse for horn.